My name is Roshan Gururaj and I want to solve this cube.
Okay, let me first unscramble it.
Just give me it. Yep, that's good.
Okay.
Okay. 2, 1, go. Two up hills.
So how long it took, Roshan? I didn't take account. Probably less than a minute.
Maybe, but I didn't get any F12 pass. Yeah.
Okay, look at here and say your breathing.
Thank you.
Okay.
Oh my god, that was so unlucky scramble.
Okay.
No, that scramble was so unlucky. My F12 pass the free F12 pass I got was so, like, there was 0 F12 pass I got, and I had to do